Hi everyone, my name is Mahmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start this program. So when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter a binary number, and let us suppose user has entered a number 1111, and then your program needs to return the decimal equivalent of this binary number, which is 15. Here I have written it down, the method how we can convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. So now you can see on the board I have already written down the method of converting binary number into decimal equivalent. So let us see that. So at the very beginning, the first bit gets multiplied with 2 raised to 0, then second bit gets multiplied with 2 raised to 1, then third bit gets multiplied with 2 raised to 2, and then finally fourth bit gets multiplied with 2 raised to 3. Okay, so these are the weights 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then we will calculate. This will become 8, then 4, this will become 2, and then 1. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and we will get 15 at the end. Okay, while writing the program for this conversion, we will be applying the same method. So now let us first try to understand how many variables do we require to write this program. So since we are asking the user to enter a binary number, so our program needs to store that binary number. So we will create a variable, let us say num, and we are calculating the decimal. So to hold the decimal value in our program, we need to create a decimal variable also, and I will initialize that variable with 0. Okay, next here you can see these are the weights. First time it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. That means with each and every step this value gets incremented by 1. So I will consider that with I, and I will initialize 0 at the very beginning. So what will be our approach? So first I will go for finding out the remainder of this number. Okay, so how I can find? I will just divide this 1111 with 10, and I will get 1. Then I will take this number down, 1, 10, and I will get 1. Then I will take this number down, 1, 10 and 1. I will get 1 as the remainder. So I will represent this method in the form of program. So I will find out the remainder. Remainder is equals to num mod 10. Okay, 1 I will get as a remainder, and then that 1 gets stored inside remainder variable. So this is that remainder 1. Okay, now here we are at the first step. We will take this number from this entire number, and we need to multiply this 1 with 2 raised to 0. Now we have got 1, so we will find out the decimal. Decimal is equals to decimal plus remainder into 2 raised to I. Okay, I value is 0. So I will write it down here. I value is 0. Then num is 1111 and remainder is 1. Okay, and then decimal. Okay, now we will need to calculate decimal. So remainder is 1. 1 into 2 raised to I value is 0. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1. Okay, we are performing this step. 1 into 1 plus decimal. Decimal is 0. We will get 1. So decimal becomes 0. It was, now it becomes 1. Next I will divide num by 10. Okay, when I divide this 1111 by 10, I will get this number 111. 111. Okay, next I will increment I. I plus plus. Now I becomes 1. Now I have got a new value of num 1 1 1. Next I need to perform the same set of steps again and again until a specific condition gets satisfied. So what is that condition? We need to perform this 4 step until the num value is becomes greater than 0. Okay, once the value of num becomes 0, the condition becomes false and then control comes out from the while loop. Okay, now let us try to trace once again with value of 1 1 1 1. Okay, now num value is 1 1 1 1, condition becomes true, 1 1 1 1 is greater than 0, control comes inside the while loop to find out the remainder 1 1 1 1 mod 10, and we'll got 1 as the remainder. Now remainder is 1. Okay, next we need to perform this. Okay, decimal equals to decimal is 0, 0 plus remainder is 1, 1 into 2 raised to 0, which is 1, 1 into 1 plus 0 will get decimal as 1. Okay, now next is num by 10, and we'll got 1 1 1. Again I gets incremented by 1, I becomes 1, so control comes back to while where we are checking 1 1 1 whether it is greater than 0 or not. Yes, condition becomes true, control comes inside while to find the remainder. So we will find out the remainder 1 1 1 mod 10, will get 1 as the remainder. Next we will perform this 1 into 2 raised to 1. So now decimal is 1 plus remainder is 1, 1 into 2 raised to I value is 1. Okay, 1 into 2 raised to 1, which is 2 into 1, we will get 2 plus remainder plus decimal is 1. So 2 plus 1 will get 3 and decimal will have the value 3. Okay, now we have done this part also. Next, num by 10. Now num is 1 1 1, 1 1 1 by 10, we will get 1 1 1 1. Okay, I gets incremented by 1, I becomes 2. Control goes back to while with a value of num change to 1 1. 1 1 is greater than 0, condition becomes true. Control comes inside the while to find the remainder 1 1 mod 10. Okay, and we'll get 1 as the remainder. So next we'll perform this with addition of this. Okay, so decimal value was 3, 3 plus remainder is 1, 1 into 2 raised to 2 we are going to perform now. 1 into 2 raised to I is 2, 2 raised to 2 4 into 1 4 plus decimal is 3, and we will get decimal is 3 and we will get decimal as 7, 4 plus 3 7. Now decimal value gets changed to 7. Okay, next num is 1 1 1 1 by 10, and we will get 1. Okay, num value is changed to 1. I plus plus I gets changed to 3, gets incremented. Then control goes back to while where the new value of num, which is 1, gets checked with 0. 1 is greater than 0, condition becomes true. Control comes inside while to find out the remainder 1 mod 10, we will get 1 as the remainder. So remainder, yes, 1 only. Next, decimal value was 7 plus, now we are performing this last step. Okay, remainder is 1, 1 into 2 raised to I is 3, 2 raised to 3 which is 8, 8 into 1 8 plus 7 15. So now, yes, not this one, 3, this becomes 8 plus 7 15. Okay, 8 plus 7 15. Next, 1, num is 1, 1 by 10 will get 0.1. Okay, I plus plus I gets incremented by 1, I becomes 4. Control goes back to while to check 0.1. Okay, so here only this value gets considered and this value gets rejected, so or ignored. So 0 is greater than 0, condition becomes false. Control will not come inside the while, control comes outside the while to print the value of decimal, which is 15, and that is our output. So I will consider the same logic to write down the shell program. I will start the program with the shebang bash read space -p space num. Okay, I will store this value inside variable num. Then I will create a variable decimal and I will pass initialize 0. Then I will initialize 0 to I. Next I will start the while loop. While dollar $num is greater than 0, do, I need to find out the remainder. Remainder is equals to dollar $num by 10. Okay. Next, decimal. Decimal is equals to dollar decimal plus remainder into 2 star star I. Okay. Num is equals to dollar num by 10. Next I plus plus, then done. Okay. Next I need to print this decimal, echo decimal. Okay. So this is everything about writing a shell program to convert a binary number into decimal equivalent. I hope you guys have understood the entire concept. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.